Hello everyone. My name is Lucas, and today I want to talk about my best friend. His name is Ryan, and he is 22 years old. We have been best friends since childhood, and we share a strong bond. Ryan and I met in elementary school when we were both in the same class. At first, we didn't talk much, but one day, we were paired for a class project, and that's when our friendship started. Since then, we have been inseparable. Ryan is a very kind and friendly person. He always helps others and has a great sense of humor. No matter how bad my day is, he always finds a way to make me laugh. He is also very hardworking and determined. He is studying computer science because he wants to become a software developer in the future. One of the things I admire most about Ryan is his passion for learning new things. He loves technology, and he is always excited to try out new gadgets. Whenever I have a problem with my laptop or phone, he is the first person I call. He always has a solution. Ryan and I have a lot in common. We both enjoy playing basketball, watching movies, and listening to music. Every weekend, we go to the park to play basketball with our friends. We also love watching action and sci-fi movies. Our favorite movie is The Avengers, and we have watched it many times together. Sometimes, we also study together. When I have trouble understanding something in my studies, Ryan helps me, and I do the same for him. We believe that learning together makes studying easier and more fun. We also love traveling. Last summer, we went on a road trip to California with our families. It was an amazing experience. We visited the beach, explored new places, and took a lot of pictures. It was one of the best trips of my life. Ryan is not just my best friend, he is like a brother to me. I know that I can always count on him, and he knows he can count on me too. We always support each other, no matter what. I feel very lucky to have a best friend like Ryan. True friends are hard to find, and I know that our friendship will last forever. I hope everyone has a best friend like Ryan, someone who supports and inspires them. Thank you for listening to my story about my best friend. I hope you liked it. Here are some useful words from the passage: inseparable, always together, cannot be separated, bond, a strong connection, relationship between people, sense of humor, the ability to find things funny and make people laugh, determined, being strong-minded and not giving up easily, passion, a strong interest or love for something, gadgets, small electronic devices like phones, tablets, or smartwatches, solution, an answer to a problem, common, having shared interests or similarities, experience, the knowledge or skills gained from doing something, explore, to travel and discover new places or things, count on, to rely on or trust someone, support, to help or encourage someone, inspires, motivates or encourages someone to do something good, true friends, real and loyal friends who stay with you in all situations. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support helps me create more amazing content for you, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's grow this community together. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.